Hello, my name is Doug Hansford. I'm Director of the Building Inspection Department with Athens-Clarke County, and you're watching Snapshot 6. This video will take a look at some of the efforts around the unified government over the past month, including efforts here in the Building Inspection Department.
In addition to being named Professional of the Year by the Athens Area Home Builders Association, Building Inspections Department Director Doug Hansford has seen steady growth each of the last 3 calendar years. The number of building permits issued, building permit valuations, and building inspections performed have all increased steadily during this time. The Athens-Clarke County Unified Government partnered with the University of Georgia and the Clarke County School District for the Martin Luther King Jr. 2019 Freedom Breakfast. The sold-out event with the theme of The Power of the Dream, Building the Beloved Community took place on January 18th in the UGA Tate Student Center Grand Hall. As part of the breakfast, the UGA President's Fulfilling the Dream Awards were presented to UGA student Charlene Marsh, UGA Professor Dr. Paige Carmichael, and community member Michelle Pearson. In January, the Lyndon House Arts Center accepted submissions for consideration for the 44th Annual Juried Exhibition. 309 Athens area artists submitted nearly 800 works in ceramics, fiber arts, jewelry, large painting, small sculpture, and other forms of media. A crew of dedicated volunteers assisted with the entry process. Guest juror Lauren Haynes, curator of contemporary art at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art in Bentonville, Arkansas, spent 2 days reviewing the submissions and selecting the works for inclusion. The exhibition opened on March 7th and runs until June 1st. Several departments and divisions, including solid waste, leisure services, and stormwater management, were involved in planning and hosting the MLK Day of Service on Monday, January 21st. Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful provided tools for 15 sites and 387 volunteers, as well as hosted a downtown sticker removal campaign and partnered with the Community Tree Council on a tree planting project. Leisure Services hosted 2 service sites for a Southeast Clark Park trail reroute and an overlook clearing on the Greenway. Overall, approximately 800 volunteers decided to make it a day on, not a day off, and serve their community at 22 different project sites with organizations such as Acceptance Recovery Center, the Athens Land Trust, Books for Keeps, Brooklyn Cemetery, Hands on Athens, Nucci Space, and Project Safe. Central Services Landscape Management Division crews completed the Epps Bridge Parkway median renovation from its start at Atlanta Highway to the county line at McNutt Creek by removing overgrown and dead plant materials and installing a new design plan consisting of over 3,000 shrubs, ornamental grasses, and perennials, as well as 120 yards of mulch. On February 4th, Cleveland Spruill Sr. began employment as the new Athens-Clarke County Chief of Police. Chief Spruill previously served as the Chief of Police in Huntersville, North Carolina, and with the Arlington, Virginia Police Department prior to his employment with the Athens-Clarke County Unified Government. A 31-year law enforcement veteran, Chief Spruill holds a Bachelor's of Science degree and a Master's degree, both in business and management. He graduated from the FBI National Academy and also completed the Police Executive Research Forum Senior Management Institute for Police.